once one more ma asumdwe na yehwehwe no so yesanka mobi ama no ho kwan na obi use no emfenye ma ohwehwe biara the maso agrudi so mana montuni bia mebua de yebotumbe dey on earth talent ewo yen constituency ha so even before this program, for the past 2 years, even at the school levels, circuit games have contributed. My friend, sports kits na madam at the bois into the Mebri so master a community engagement, a community more football and justice na other sports offense GS na de into this opportunity. So in Anuma was one son came in so you use the amount. Now when you started in my 4 years tenure, no Gomoa West we should be able to produce a national star. No, it to me pay and I mean so within my 4 years tenure, no Gomoa West every community should have a standard park. A park udimu ubutum wabo games bia waduma I pay. That means so within my first term in office, no I group it today. Basketball, volley, chess, na scrabbles, na tennis. Any known so. Yet to me to introduce be eba Gomoa West. Into Mebunia, said will be bobo or sign for tennis. When I was in school, I was a hockey player, but then I was also a football. I'm signed for boss account. Okay. That means I do win. And I'm putting the Nigerian one more. Na about to Yasumji, na Seminia Quayana, between Madame Sadin Nasu, Ayajua.
On a 1 year better as now, Queen Dame, Gomoti,
Mr. Midamasi, and Yadamasi, Juma Pamoye, Yakupo Yadumsa, Ayagumati, Kutin, the most effort to be a Richard Jan Mensa, Minya Quenya, so Muslim Bobom, pushing with our cost. Now, Muslim to use more platform at the project Gomoa West, Emma, yourself and engineer. Mr. Midamasi.
We are some honorable Richard Jan or the team, or could have been to a big area, the whole Fayena, your best sign not Shinkumo.